It's another Saturday, and you know what time it is. It's time for another delicious, amazing Cameroonian traditional food recipe. Today, we are going to make Kati Kati. I visited Boya, and one of my aunties who makes the best Kati Kati was around, and she was making Kati Kati. And I said, because I love you guys, I am going to bring it to you. I asked all the questions that I know you might be asking. So let's jump into the video. So first, you start by washing your chicken and then seasoning it just with salt and seasoning cubes, preferably Maggi crevette, right? I'll show you guys as the video goes on. So we lighted our charcoal fireplace. We put our, what do they call this thing, grey ash, yeah, and then is that how they call it? Yeah, this thing where we're putting the chicken on. You know the name, drop it in the comment section. So we roasted the chicken. Now, a lot of people traditionally they use the strong chicken, not this soft one. But even with this one, it works and it tastes amazing. So we went ahead to just roast the chicken, as you can see. And when all of the chicken was well roasted, we'll jump into the next phase. That said, you are welcome to my channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I share with you guys lifestyle vlogs as a mom living in Cameroon, and Cameroon food recipes as well, and food timetables, meals that I eat to lose weight, a lot of good quality content for you guys. On that note, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. If you have not liked this video, how do you want me to beg you to like this video? Click on that like button. The next step after we have finished roasting the chicken is to put oil in the pot. Now, I missed filming one step that she did, which she told me was not compulsory, that sometimes when she notices that the oil is that kind, the red oil is the kind of oil that would easily coagulate when you put maybe your kati kati in the flask. She adds a little bit of granola oil. What she added was not up to half a cup like the standard cooking cups that we have. It was not, I don't think it was up to half. She just dropped in a little bit. Now she put the oil on the fire. It did not have to bleach, okay? It is not bleached. It just got a little hot, and then she poured all the chicken in the oil. You guys, I love kati kati, and that's why watching this video is a lot of temptation. You guys can see a little bottle of granola oil there. That was what she used, just a little bit, but that is not compulsory. It is not what must be done, but she found that when she does that, she doesn't have the oil getting tight and coagulated. Now, this is the seasoning cube I was talking about that she used, is Maggi crevette, okay? And then she sprinkled a little more salt, some pepper. You guys, this meal was delicious. She made fufu corn and bitter leaf, right? It was bitter leaf. It wasn't what's the other vegetable? It wasn't huckleberry like we normally do. She made it with bitter leaf, and it was so delicious. I had never eaten fufu corn and bitter leaf before. That was my first time, and I really liked it. So when you have put everything, you want to shake the pot, shake it like an African auntie. That is exactly how she was doing it. At some point, she's going to come in with a little bit of water. I didn't know this part. Yeah, she came in with a little bit of water, not a lot. I think this should be like approximately maybe 2 cups of water that she added into the chicken. And then she's going to cover the pot at some point and allow it to cook. Of course, after putting the water, at some point she had to taste it. Yeah, she tasted it to know if the seasoning is okay. And you guys, I wish you could taste it from the screen. The pepper, the seasoning, the Maggi crevette, the chicken. It was so delicious, you guys, so delicious. And yeah, this is the end of our kati kati. It tasted so good, so good. I wish I could share it in the comment section. Yeah, we have come to the end of this video. This is how it looked. I think we cooked it for like 10 minutes. After she closed the pot, we left it to cook for another 10 minutes. It didn't have to cook for too long, especially because we are using the soft chicken, right? So this is our final product, and she was just putting it in a flask. Okay, so I went to Boya for my auntie's funeral, and this was for a meeting that was coming to visit, so just come and pay their respects to her. So that's why she was putting it in a flask. And this was my own that I had to munch on. Oh my Lord. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe and check out other videos on the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.